Hello and welcome friends to the Cloud Learners. In this video today, we'll be going to see how we can get started with Aws Cdk and what exactly is Aws Cdk. So friends, let's start with what is Aws Cdk. So Aws Cdk is a toolkit from AWS that lets you provision infrastructure through code. And what is the main, I can say, what is the USP of AWS CDK is that it lets you provision the infrastructure as code into your native programming languages like TypeScript, Python, Java, C Sharp, etc. If you talk about cloud formation, so you can provision infrastructure into only YAML formatted language. So this is the beauty of AWS CDK that you can code into your native programming languages while developing your application. So it will be really easy for the developers to maintain their infrastructure as a code. Now let's see how we can get started with AWS CDK. So as you can see friends, like I have opened up Visual Studio code editor and I've created a folder named create s3 bucket. This will be the project under which I'll be using AWS CDK. So initially you need to install AWS CDK uh, package through Node Package Manager. So let's try and install it as global through -G option. So this will take a while to get the AWS CDK package installed. So we are installing it globally so that we can use it in all of our projects that has a dependency of AWS CDK. Now as a next step, what we will be going to do is we'll be going to initialize the CDK app, uh, and the language of our choice will be Python. You can use any other language like TypeScript or Java or C Sharp, whatever you are familiar with. So we need to type in npx cdk init app language Python. In case of Linux, you do not need to go with npx, only you need to start your command with cdk init app dash language Python. For Windows system, we need to prepend it with npx. Okay, as you can see, it has installed a set of files and folder as part of the initialization of app. Now we need to uh, create the virtual environment through the given command python python -m. Let's activate the virtual environment through the given command. This will take a while. Okay, so virtual environment is activated now. Now we'll be going to install the dependencies. So it is installing the dependencies now. This will take a while. So app.py is the entry point for the application. This gets executed when we deploy this CDK stack. So as you can see, it has created the stack in the name of my folder, create S3 bucket. Our dependencies are still installing. This might take some time. So as you can see in this template, you can pass in AWS account details like this. So you need to pass in AWS account number and the region, so that it picks up the appropriate account number and the region in which it can deploy the resources. Or you can pass in these values to environment variable as well. You can set up environment variables and pull up the environment variables to pull the values for the account and region. So our dependencies are installed now. Okay, let's see the version number as well to confirm CDK installation. Okay, as you can see, it has shown the version number. So that's it, friend. This is how you can get started with the AWS CDK. In further videos, like we'll be going to see how we can provision resources like S3 buckets, EC2, VPC subnets, ECS clusters. So thank you.